Hi there, everybody. Welcome to week 9 of Song of the Week. My song for you this week is one that I had almost forgotten, and I came across it just by chance and thought to myself, how have I not brought this to you all? It's one of my favorites. And it's interesting, the two parts of the song, the lyrics and the melody, existed separately before they were put together. There's not a whole lot that I was able to find about how this song came to be. So if anybody has any information, you'll have to let me know. But the melody is a very famous melody called Finlandia by Jean Sibelius, a composer, a classical composer who put it as part of a bigger orchestral work early in the 20th century. And it became so popular, it's been sort of extracted out of that and has been given its own treatment as a piece in and of itself. It's become the music for a lot of church hymns and other songs. Somewhere along the way, it got matched up with a poem by Lloyd Stone, who is not very well known, but is known for this. This is my song, or a song of peace, or it's had lots of different titles over the years. But he was about 22 years old when he wrote it, and it was kind of in the lull between World War I and World War II. He wrote it in 1934. It just speaks, I think, very much to the experience that we are having right now, that we're feeling very acutely where we are in our own places and our own countries, and yet we know that we are not the only ones going through what we are going through, and it's kind of a unique opportunity to connect universally with everybody around the world. For me, it's been such a pleasure in the midst of all of the terrible things that have been happening. It's been such a pleasure to lead the Saturday Quarantunes jams and to have folks tuning in from countries all over the world. I've seen New Zealand, I've seen the UK, I've seen Germany. I'm sure there are more that I've missed. I so appreciate you all joining us from wherever you are and from wherever you are staying home. And I think it does serve as a reminder that we are in this together, not just as our local communities, as our families, as our countries, but really the entire world will be shaped by this, is being shaped by this, has been shaped by this, and this is just a connection point that we will all continue to share moving forward, and just a reminder that we are all people where we are, as the song says, my country's skies are bluer than the ocean, but other lands have sunlight too. And so I just think it's a nice reminder of how we are all connected in this, and let's make it worth it. Let's make it worth it. So this is my song, also known as Finlandia. Here we go. This is my song, O God of all the nations, a song of peace for lands afar and wide. This is my home, the country where my heart is. Here are my hopes, my dreams, my holy shrine. But other hearts in other lands are beating with hopes and dreams as true and high as mine. My country's skies are bluer than the ocean, and sunlight beams on clover leaf and pine. But other lands have sunlight too, and clover, and skies are everywhere as blue as mine. Oh, hear my song, thou God of all the nations, a song of peace for their land and for mine. Have a great week, everyone. Stay safe and stay healthy.